Hey there, Annette here with FOMO Media. There are plenty of healthy choices of naturally flavored water at the grocery store. But how about using basic ingredients you already have at home and adding nutritious flavor without the added sugar and creating deliciously infused water? Alright, so we all know that water is great for us and that we should be drinking more of it every day. But chances are we are missing out on how easily and quickly we can turn the neutral and dull taste of it into a more enjoyable experience. Let's take a look at 3 super easy recipes that you can do immediately at home. Start the day with a morning cleanse. It gets you hydrated, flushes out the toxins, improves skin quality, helps digestion and weight control. It'll improve your mood, energy levels, and it only takes a few minutes to prepare. Get your kids excited about drinking water. Instill good habits early on with this simple recipe your kids will want to make themselves. It's fun, it looks amazing, and it'll keep them asking for more. This refreshing and beautifully looking recipe served over ice will keep you feeling cool and satisfied during the long, hot summer days. Staying active, eating well, and getting your body hydrated all go hand in hand. What you were missing out before can be easily integrated into your daily routine and lifestyle. Adding nutritious flavor to your water will not only boost your water intake, it will actually help you create healthy new habits. Let's drink up. Do you have a recipe you love? Share in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel for other inspiring content. Cheers.